Oh, my mom and my sis had to drink my own blood out. They must have forgot I was a crip. Tell the bitch get respect.
What's good, YouTube? It's MWAQSB.
We doing this Q&A mukbang.
Show.
Alright,
we got a lot of questions. We're gonna be talking and stuff.
Should I like ask you? You ask me.
Yeah. This boy ate about all his fries. Oh shit!
First off, let me show you what I got.
First of all, I had to hit y'all with the.
Yo, they gave me pickles.
Check it out. I asked for no pickles.
If you know me, if y'all know me, I hate pickles, bro. Pickles is the nastiest thing in the world.
Spicy chicken with no pickles. You know me, Connie B. All the lobbying on lunch, right?
I actually bought some
fries.
We got that cookies and cream milkshake. We had to try it for the first time. He actually never ate Chick Fil A before. Never had.
She better be busting. I love spicy stuff. Nigga, calm down.
What y'all want us to do?
You can
eat and talk or eat?
Why would they want us to eat? He said, ASMR.
We're gonna eat Chick Fil A's sandwich. We're gonna eat the fries first, okay?
We'll start with the basic questions like name and from.
Y'all know me, right? Money War. My name is Walter. I'm from the Bronx. I moved down here when I was probably like 10, 11. I'm funny. I'm goofy. I be doing everything that you would think.
Not funny.
Funny as hell. Everybody know I'm funny as hell. Oh, that nigga, Jen Jackson. Jen Jackson. Yeah. Tell him about yourself, man.
You know me, man. I wish I had my crown over here.
Oh yeah, he was
prom king.
Yeah. 2019. Oh my gosh, Alcon was prom king.
Who you supposed to be sounding like?
Oh my god. Y'all mad? Y'all can't answer. They mad.
Right. Anyways, from Jersey. Pretty sure I came here like the end of 2016. Right?
Oh what?
Was it 2016?
Yeah, 10th grade year.
Was that 2017? Early 2017.
2016. Oh, he came here 10th grade. Well, not here. He came to Program on the East.
Yeah, second semester, sophomore year. Yeah. Before that, I was living in Newark, New Jersey. Let's get to the real questions.
Alright.
First one.
Alright, you can ask me something. Alright. Ready? Nigga, why so low?
I don't know.
Rock, paper, scissors, says shoot.
Who said shoe? The shoe.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
Alright, you a bitch.
Older than that boy.
I don't know who does that. That's whack.
Who's your hero?
My hero?
Yeah.
Nah, my parents probably, they do everything for me. Like, literally everything. See, they do everything for me. That's why I am who I am. You know what I'm saying? They my hero. They created me. So I'm a hero. You know what I'm saying? I'm my own hero.
How that makes sense?
You kinda get it? Yo, this nigga.
Shut up.
Yo, you slow or something. But
you know my
hero. I
hero.
just say my hero's parents.
What's my hero?
The Weeknd.
That's Chris Brown. You see that thing over there, bro?
This nigga, bro. You could only eat one meal for the rest of your life. What would it be?
That's so easy, bro.
Don't say noodles, bro.
I love noodles.
Oh, bro.
Chicken, chili, shrimp, pasta, some of the y'all. I know what I'm saying. That nigga get me started. The chicken noodles, man.
This dude.
I've been satisfied my whole life with just straight up ramen. How about you?
Eating food for the rest of my life. To be honest, bro. All my day ones, whatever. Chips and salsa is where it's at, bro.
You serious?
Chips and salsa. I could eat that every single day of my life. Nah, when I was younger, I can eat anything. Like, no, not eating anything. My favorite thing to eat was cereal. I know. I'm not the only people that can sit down and eat cereal for the rest of their life, bro. Or just every day they would have cereal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, bro. I could eat cereal, but now I just changed, bro. Chips and salsas, that's the stuff, bro. Tostitos.
Shut up.
That's the best, bro.
Nigga, for your whole life though, just
Nah.
chips and salsa. You're tripping. I don't even like salsa. You get full. I'm bust.
How would your friends describe you?
Oh. Yes, Kwani. It's the one with the I do want to call me Kwani. You call me funny. Funny black tall. Kiera boyfriend.
Oh, Kiera boyfriend. And you be like, yeah.
I guess it's more known than that. I'm not just Kiera boyfriend. Kiki knows that too.
Alright.
You know me, Kwani B.
Ask me a question, bro. Now this shit bust.
What did you do with the other half of your plane ticket? Nah, I'm fucking with you.
Yeah.
What really makes you angry?
When people lie. I hate when people lie, bro. That gets me so, like, it could be over little things too, like, you know some people like that, bro. They sit there, lie about dumb stuff. They just sit there and lie about dumb stuff. What?
Be capping.
Who?
You.
How?
Nigga, what?
I really cannot stand when people cap, bro. It's oh, that's so annoying. That's so annoying. What about you?
Nothing much, bro. You just can't fuck with the people I love. That's really it.
That's a fact too. Fact.
I don't get mad easily.
I put y'all on.
It's sponsored.
I put y'all on. Peace mango, straight up. 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 everything. But it's so sweet, bro.
What is your biggest accomplishment?
Biggest accomplishment.
Fuck that sandwich up all crazy. Look at mine. Look at his, bro.
My biggest accomplishment. I feel like I didn't accomplish anything. I accomplished a lot of things, but I feel like I've yet to accomplish that biggest accomplishment in my life.
Yeah, but what's the one that you have right now?
As of right now,
Yeah.
I'm going to college. I'm first generation, so
Good to be in college.
yes, sir.
Yeah, same man.
First generation, so that's what's up.
I can't wait to drop out.
I ain't dropping out. You tweaking. 4 years of high school, I'm not dropping out. But yeah.
What makes you laugh the most? Wait, I forgot to answer that question.
But yeah, what you doing?
Fuck it.
This shit about to hit.
What's your biggest fear? I feel like I know yours.
Mine.
Yeah, bro.
To be honest, mine is simple. My biggest fear. My sandwich is small, so you see this shit. My biggest fear is failing. Even though failing makes you better
Failing what? In life?
in any aspect of anything, in any aspect
You
of
said
life.
even though, so you obviously know.
But even though I know failing makes you better, I just don't like that. I'm not scared of nothing in the world. Like, I'm really not. But just,
Stop tapping, bro.
I'm really not scared of nothing. Alright, maybe like heights and all that, but like I'm I'm not scared to do anything. I'm not, yo, dude. I'm not scared.
You're scared of dogs, Walter.
No, I'm not scared of dogs.
I'm gonna put a clip in right now. I'm gonna put a clip in right now of Walter at a party. Right there.
But
Where did you want to be when you were small?
what I want to be?
Yeah, when you were little.
Most of y'all know, biggest 49ers fan in the world. Yeah, dig. I'm the biggest. Back at home, my whole room was 49ers filled everywhere. You know, I sleep in a 49ers blanket every
What
night.
you gotta do with the question?
You gonna hear. When I was little, I wanted to be a 49ers player. I had this whole thing back in 7th and 8th grade. I don't know if every school does this, but we used to write letters. And if you write letters, you write them, and then they would keep it like packaged and everything. Senior year, when you get your diploma and all that stuff. Well, we got ours the day before our graduation or the week before, I don't remember. Our letters that we wrote in 7th and 8th grade, it was like to your future self. And I got mine.
Long ass story, bro.
Basically, I got mine, and I remembered, I was like, oh yeah, I want to be a 49ers player. But when I was little, I wanted to be a 49ers player.
And now he plays soccer instead of football.
Bro, I love football, bro. My 49, I'm going to 49ers game too. Catch me there, you know what I'm saying? Ohio.
Bro.
Yeah, 3rd, 2015. What would you change about yourself if you could? Anything. To be honest, y'all, I wouldn't change nothing. I just wish I was taller.
I wouldn't, bro.
You wouldn't change nothing at
all. Nah.
Bro, if Popeye's chicken sandwich is really the best in the world,
what the fuck is Chick Fil A, right?
that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, Chick Fil A, yeah, this is busting. Like, if it's better than that, but all chicken sandwich tastes the same. Like, you know, you gotta go when you're eating the blend. Nah.
Name two pet peeves.
Back in elementary, I used to hate when people used to scratch the chalkboard. That used to be the worst. I used to have my body Nah, but yeah, they used to scratch it and like my body would feel, oh, I hate that feeling so much. I hate that, and I hate when people eat pickles out of a jar. Oh, that's so bad. Oh, that's so nasty, bro.
I hate pickles.
Oh, pickles is disgusting.
I know our neighbors hate us. Pet peeves. That's like something that gets you tight, right?
Yeah. In black version, black dictionary, pet peeves.
Tight means mad, yo.
Yeah, because you know we got Philly people watching this, talking about something. Y'all drawing. Yeah, what's your pet peeves?
Do not try to use this against me, because I will probably scrap it.
Bro, I swear this is like the goofiest thing I've ever heard.
This is beyond pet peeves. This is like, it's like joking, you know, pranking. This shit is beyond pranking. I hate styrofoam. Like a lot. Just the thought of it.
Bro, he on some Superman type stuff. He said kryptonite. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Styrofoam sucks.
Yo, this is busting, bro. Y'all need to get the, what's it called again? Cookies and cream milkshake from Chick Fil A. It's real good. I do recommend it.
It's cool.
I might say so, man. Pretty good, man. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Actually, comment some things that we should make some videos on. You gotta follow our Instagrams and everything. DM us. YouTube, yo, we out. Yeah.
It is. Cut. Sometimes I get these 2 dicks. I need a bitch freaky bitch.
Oh, you dancing on my phone.